Go on, what's up? So, if you're here before, if you're here, if you're gonna rewatch this live when you're here now, so make sure you like the live, comment, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and you can join my Telegram group. Link would be in the description, or you can text me on Telegram to get a link to join the free Telegram group. Link would be in the description. Otherwise, my Telegram is Laden FX. Think I should put it on this. Yeah, my Telegram is Laden FX. So yeah, should be black. So yeah. So this trade, this 50 trade is a late entry trade because I wasn't available around this time. Let me use my time schedule. I wasn't available around this time. Today it is around 3 o'clock to cut my trade, which is, let me go on the higher time frame to a top down analyst, right? So price respect this structure right here on the daily. So this is the daily time frame that I'm on. Yeah. So price respect is daily, and when I use this, so for the daily confirmation within the strategy, what we will wait for to tell us that the market still want to go down after a price respect a zone. We use I think our daily confirmation. Let me align back this zone to make sure it's accurate zone. It's not just, yeah, all right. So price failed to respect it with these two candles. Price push down, come back up, come respect it with this previous day candle that close. All right. So this is the new day closing. This is the new day printing right there, and as you can see, price respected. So normally, what we do when we have a zone is when price respected, we go down to the smaller time frame and look for an entry and enter of that smaller time frame. So with this now, if we're going to use a daily confirmation to tell us that this market want to continue sell, we want to wait for this new candle to print right there. This new candle right here, we want it to either print an engulfing or some form of rejection candle that give us a signal that the market is going to sell. And in this case now, what we want it to do is to print as an engulfing candle, right? So it print, if we're going to use the daily confirmation, this print as an engulfing candle would signify that the market want to sell, and then for the next day that will open tomorrow, it's gonna do, we would want it to do a little retracement, come respect a zone and then continue sell. But we wasn't, when I see this markup, I wasn't looking for no daily confirmation, to be honest, because I would have to wait that long, right? In the meanwhile, I was seeing this break and retest on the daily zone, minimize it, same break and retest right here on the 4 hour, right here on price, reject it right here. So as I said, I missed the first entry that would have been around here. So when I see that price respect that break and retest zone, I would have personally go down to my entry time frame, and my entry time frame would have been my 5 minute, time frame. 5 minutes, so as I see right around here, where you see price respect these zones. So as you see price push through it and do this like a consolidation, and this originally, if I was on the chart at this time, this right here, this engulfing right here, as I see price form this small candle and then give me this big engulfing candle right there, that would originally be my entry. Stop loss a few pips above, give me a minute, stop loss a few pips above this. Hello everyone on the live, you can leave a comment and you can like the live for me, please. I really appreciate it. So stop loss would be a few pips above this recent high right here. And you see enter price go down into immediate drawdown and then reject, and then I get this would be a next entry. So for example, if it didn't enter of that, this right here would then be the next entry right there. This next engulfing, as I see price basically engulf 2 candle right there, almost 3 candles right there, or 4, almost 4 candles, and that would have been the next entry right here. Alright, that would have been the next entry after that engulfing close, and you could have targeted. You could have targeted zones. Why my mouse not move? Alright. So we would have been in this trade. You could have targeted this zone right there, 1 to 6. You would have to take profit right over here. But since as we didn't see that zone, right, and we caught it we caught a late trade. The first entry was right there. I'm gonna lie, the first entry was right there. When I see this trade, it was right there. Right at that, my stop loss was right somewhere like that. And my take profit was where this take profit is. Alright. And as you see, thank you for the likes. And as you see, I got stopped out there. And then I delete that and I got back on next re-entry of the market. Late again, this re-entry is late again because when I got stopped out, I came off it and then I check it back. And I see that I got the next entry. And yeah, now we're in profits. So yeah, nice trade, sell continuation, price pull up on this 5-minute time frame and come back, pull up the respect, you respect this, break and retest, lie, I'm lying, he didn't respect that. But it basically come back and form a new high, then it break back down, do a pull back, and then now he's selling off. So yeah, nice sales. I missed a trade. I have this 100 sell buys that I was waiting on. 2 that didn't play out. Price didn't tap my zone. Everyone on the live, can you guys leave a likes, please and thank you. So the reason why I was buying this 100 is because as you can see, price is in a little uptrend here, and there is in a little retracement or uptrend, whatever you want to call it, but it's in an uptrend. And why I say that is that price was making lower lows and lower highs. You make a lower low, you form a lower high, come form a new lower low, you leave this invalidation right there, and price form a new low high, price break structure, come back, come respect it, and now it's buying. You see break structure, price come back, come respect it right here, and now it's buying. So that give us the reversal signal that market is in, that market want to go up. So then I jump to my 4-hour time frame, and on the 4-hour, as you can see right here on the 4-hour, market is making highs and lows. So if I was supposed to adjust this zone to right there, put it at this 4-hour invalidation right there, right? As you can see, when price break structure right there, price break structure right there, price did come back and respect it on the 4-hour and continue buy, form a new higher high, price come back, form a new higher low, come again, form a higher high, form a higher low, push up higher high, higher low, having break structure to the uptrend, but it's still form a higher low, and now it's gonna push up. But I wanted it to come and respect this structure zone right there, and then give us an entry and then continue buy. But that's a miss trade, and yeah. That's just part of it. That's just how it goes, you know. So what's up? What am I going need? What's up? Which pair you guys praying, looking at tonight? And you know, I can go over it. I can do a top down analysis on it. No, sir. The most not comfortable, yes, idiot. Alright, so with this now, this is the daily time frame on the 75s. And what I'm looking at the 75s is, as you can see with the daily, Let me show you something with the daily now. I can capitalize buys off this move right there. I see it's going on right here. But as I see price right there, price is making higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. It failed to make a higher high, make a double top pattern right there. Push down, it give me a market structure shift right there on the daily. As I can see, market structure shift right there. Give us that market structure shift on the daily, and now it's doing a retracement. And with the daily retracement, what I want to see it do is I mark that structure zone right there for price to come back and respect that zone. Price push up, respect that zone, and sell off. But I still think it's gonna go high and make a wick like this again. So what I did was I jumped from the daily, boy, this mouse, yeah, I ain't got no. So yeah, I jump from the daily and go to the 4 hour. And as you can see, basically the same thing on the 4 hour. Price failed to break structure. Price leave this, so on the 4 hour, I adjusted to this invalidation right there. But I'm not just watching the invalidation, to be honest, because as I said on the daily, I want price to wick back above the zone. So we're gonna target but the structure retest right there. But I'm still gonna leave this at the 4 hour invalidation and gonna press it right there. So I want to see price pull back up to that zone, within this zone, and sell off. And if I should grab my if I still use this, oh shit, the settings gone. We can't ever set up like that. But yeah, price pull up. This is at the 50% range of this zone. If we should use let me use it and see from candle body, from the body to the body. Yeah, 50%. So price come respect the 50%, which is the wick into the premium zone and sell off back. And as you guys should know that when price is in the premium era, you sell, and when price is in the discount era, you buy. We buy from a zone from the discount era and you sell from a zone from the premium area. Yeah, but we don't use Fibonacci. Let me take it off. So now I want to see price push, come up, sell, come break back structure to the downside. Alright, so I want to see price do that. Let me put that there. Stop loss there. We can target the full move. On a lower time frame, we're gonna have a shorter stop loss. Yeah. I can adjust this. So yeah, price can do that. So what's up? What you guys going in tonight? Let's see, this is 50S is jumping nicely. Sweet 50S is jumping nicely. I think I'm gonna make a video on the chair. If you play out and smash TP, I'm gonna make a video on the chair. Honestly. And this is all 1, 2, 5. So what's up? What pair you guys looking at? Catch a girl in her throat back, and somebody's explain 75S. I explain why I take that sales and 50S. So now we are explain the reason why I wanted to buy this 100S and what else. I haven't explained anything else. So which of these period guys want me to explain? So now I'm going to take my interest off this zone now. And if price break structure up here, I'm gonna start to target this zone. The price break this right here. Like up a like for me, please. Guys, appreciate it. Price giving a market structure shift there. Want to see price retrace come back down to this zone. Okay, that's possible. We can watch then, we can watch that and see what price do. To check out in our throat back. Yeah, so yeah. Which pair now I'm for look over? No, I'm for you. Do a tap down and listen. Watch the boobity boys in there. So why is she having such a moment in the wrong side when it's here, bro? Ba-ba-ba-da-bam-ba-da. Ba-da-ba-dam-bam-ba-da. Like up a live from me, please, so YouTube can push out the live stream to others who is interested in trading the APA strategy. And if you guys have any pair in mind that you guys want me to look at, you can comment it in the comment section. Yeah, I'll go over it and share my thoughts. Share my thoughts on that pair. See no noise, you know. Ba-da-ba-dam-bam-ba-dam. And yeah, me there explain the reason why I take the sales here. For now, I'm go back over it I can. So leave a comment and go back over it. Let me see if I'm active. If you all who wasn't here. Ba-da-ba-dam-bam-ba-dam. Finger cross appear at the 75. 75. It's a play out tomorrow. Remember it, and I want to remember it. If you don't want to remember it, because best believe me, I tell you, it's gonna play out. It's price respect is when it's gonna play out. Feel like I have too much spear chart up. No, that's so much chart. And you can join Tradebyladen. You can search the link tree and click this link to join my YouTube, my Telegram group, or Deriv. Open an experience, see what one. Just book a girl, they shot. 50. So 50 going, right? Daily. What's a daily? A 50 invalidation, I get respected, man. Apadam pam padam. Well, the 4 hour structure market your coffee. See, tell. Okay, can rock off this 4 hour invalidation. Let's see price make a higher low. Make a lower high. Make a higher low. Make a higher high. Break structure. Right there, so. Form this zone. That zone weak price come back and respect this zone right there. And as you see, here we just simple, bro. Like, you see, price come respect this zone. Let me jump to the entry time frame and see if I find an entry. Oh, my entry would have been. Could I use this pin bar? Because I would classify these two can go right there. 1, 2, these 2 red can go right there. I would classify those as an entry. I use this pin bar though. I'll use this pin bar closure. Show me that price is rejecting that zone right there. Stop loss above it like that. Take profit would be good target at this zone right there. Yeah, I could have targeted that zone right there. Already targeted the low. And let's see price push down straight into profit, push back up by the entry right there. Push down, come back again, push down again, push, come back in a like a Jordan, not like a Jordan. In Jordan, I probably, yeah, in Jordan, if it didn't come out, push back down straight to take profit, pull back up. Haven't give us a range point yet. Push down, push back up. Still haven't. Push down. Now we probably look for a range point. Go up on the one I want to see if we can find a range. I don't want to call this one right off. Right, this one I'm watching. Watch the zone here or this. Either the invalid or the structure it is. Those two zones. Let's see how it will go. Like it live. Hello guys, that's on the live. Can you guys hide the live for me please? 1 thumbs up. Yeah, I'd appreciate it. Price can respect this daily structure, you know. Price respect daily structure. Upon the one this. I know what the oh God, I am already a million, so I want to do hours out of trading. Hours out of trading. Well, let me just focus on a few pairs. I'm just going to that's up on 100 now. So on the daily, a break structure on the daily. You have this break structure, that's a break over structure. So daily now. See, daily come respect but that break and retest already right there. Sell off. Then we can respect it again this time. Respect it again and sell off. Yeah. It did it once, it can do it again. to me. I got the keys to my heart. Be buddy. And I go up on the zone and market cars again. I just upon the 15 meter, I watch the top zone. And I go up on no more beer until somebody can go up on the next beer. I don't want that all over the place. Stop bad, few pips about it. Take profit on that though. One time invalid. Be able to speak to me. Now watch this. So yeah, we're going. Which pair now I'm going to write up one markup for now. Or, you know, you can like up the live. You can share the live. You can comment on the live. Just interact. You can interact overall. It won't cost you a thing to like the live. I would appreciate if you do though. Is it baby, everybody speak to me. She got the keys to my heart. I will push myself to the limit, you know. Okay, I'm gonna do that then as a sign of laziness. You. If everybody who's joining, every new person that's joining, can you guys like the live? Can you guys give the live a thumbs up? She got the keys to my heart. No, sir. That look good. Like up a live from the chat. Like up a live chat. I'll leave a comment on which pair I'm for go over for you guys. If this pair smash TP, or if you don't smash TP, man, feel like I want to make a video about this, explaining the whole reason why I take this trade. This 50s trade. I think that would be a nice video. Everybody speak. She got the keys to my heart. Like up a live chat, please and thank you. Like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. What? Well, we can watch this as much take profit on live. You guys think that's possible? Watch TP live. And if we get the big push now. Now you like a kind of market can start more fast. I think you take people, you get a lot of people. If I don't really go on me now, we found me Kayan says she know you found me yet. There, is that huh? She got the key to my heart. Baby, your body speak. Oh, Jason. Oh, go on. What's up? What's up? What's up? You guys gotta come in so I know you guys are here, you know? What you guys thinking? What period guys on? What you guys? Let's see if we can get a re-entry set off of this. This is too far. Break structure right there. Set off of there. Say 4 hours stay first come. Alright, alright. Alright. Right, that one hour stay right way. Pull come back. Then sell. You guys, if you can see, it's when I learn APS strategy, it's just like everything that's in a just print out right in front of you. You have to just capitalize off it because I never have more that pan one I'm gonna mark this and the 1 hour. Is but me have a price push come here, so. Since that's my record 4 hour. Is it but this present itself and the 1 hour. You see me? You're not doing APS strategy, man. This thing come like the hardest part of APS strategy is like the waiting game, man. Wait for your structure to get respect and then, you know? That's the hardest part, the waiting game, like with this strategy. There, but I'm here. I'm back playing it out. Yes, sir. Good morning, she like that. Good morning, she Baby, everybody speak to me. Speak to me. Straight to take profit we going. Holy moly. Donut shop. Holy moly. Donut shop. Like up a live, please. Can I get a like on the live? She got the keys to my heart. Yeah, if you go over TikTok and finish my live cheating over TikTok. So YouTube, big up on itself and appreciate everybody who joining up on the live. Yes, man. I wanna go live every night on YouTube. So yeah, big up for the one person ever been there. Yes, man. Big up yourself for the associate me and all of this strong. So yeah, man, I go live over TikTok. Yes, man. Finish the live. Me the other one up on YouTube and call it a night for the live, but I'm finishing next 20 minutes over TikTok, so I'm live 40 minutes now. So big up yourself, my friend, and peace out. See you soon. Or you can join TikTok. The same name on YouTube is the same name on TikTok. Tradebyladen. Is him. So big up yourself and I appreciate you to be on my life. Okay. Bin Laden.